In Nova Scotia, we pay some of the highest electrical rates in the country, and a lot of our power is still generated through outdated methods. We at Solar Ascent offer a cleaner, more sustainable alternative. As the industry leader in solar energy systems, Solar Ascent provides start-to-finish services for both commercial and residential users looking to generate their own solar power. Our certified installers ensure that each system is optimized for maximum power production, with most users generating 60 to 80% of their own energy. Our solar systems come with extensive warranties that are supported by our knowledgeable quality assurance team who are quick to address any issues that might arise. Wondering if solar is a wise investment? Check out our 5-star reviews to see what our clients think about their decision. If you believe that both the sun and power rates are going to continue to rise, we have a solution for you. Solar Ascent. We make solar simple.